how to change office theme and color in Microsoft Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel, go to File in the top left, go to Options in the very bottom left. There at the bottom, you can see office background and office theme option. So there is option to change into colorful, dark gray, black, white, or use custom settings. So you can choose the one of your choice. And here in office background, you can see something like clouds, doodles, geometry. There are various kinds of background that you can use. Choose the one of your choice, hit OK. And there you go. It's as simple as that. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.